just went to the loo and you left it.
Hey there, did you like what you watched? Cool, me too. Did you know we've got more than 50 skits over on our Patreon? You can go there.
You can do whatever you like to me.
Anything?
Anything you want, yeah.